Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create YouTube scripts with ChatGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply create YouTube scripts using your ChatGPT, then all you can do is simply go to your ChatGPT first. So once you are in your ChatGPT, all you got to do is simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you need to now simply write in YouTube script for a cooking tutorial or something like that that particularly describes your video. So once you have written something that particularly describes your video, you will be able to get a clean, engaging tutorial script from the help of ChatGPT, which you can easily customize for different kind of reasons. Like you can add your own words or your own tone, and you can simply follow the script provided by your ChatGPT. So this way you can simply write YouTube script with the help of ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.